Okay, Bosch. Okay, Rockler. Okay, Juice Groove jig. Got away from me. Plunger dropped too deep. I've got this on here. Feels a little loose. You tighten the screws. Okay, tighten the screws. That takes, looks like most of the movement out. My question is my router too big for this jig? This is what I base the question on. The router's sitting flat over here, but I've got all this space over here. How am I supposed to keep the router level coming around the Juice Groove jig without tilting it? Any help would be greatly appreciated from anybody. Not to mention the fact that somehow I've got to try to clean this mess up. Not sure how I'm going to do that. Maybe, I don't know, bigger pass or something. I'm using that bit there because I wanted a bigger Juice Groove. So this is the one I'm running, and I could go to that. I don't know, can I even get any help from posting something like that? We'll see.